Why is Fortnite servers down? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right now, Fortnite servers are officially down, and in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why they're offline, when they'll be back up, and what you can do while waiting, so you're ready to jump right in. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really supports the channel, and I appreciate it a lot. So, here's what's going on. Fortnite is currently offline because the brand new Fortnite X. The Simpsons season is rolling out today. That's right. We're getting a massive update, and the downtime is happening so Epic can prepare everything for the new season after the live event. Now the important part, when will the servers be back? Fortnite servers are expected to be back online at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Once that happens, you'll be able to launch Fortnite again, jump in, and enjoy all the new season content. If you're wondering what that time means for your region, 5 p.m. ET, around 10 p.m. in the UK, about 4 o'clock, 3 p.m. Central Time, around 2 p.m. Pacific Time. So basically, later today the servers will be back up, and you can dive into the brand new season and check out everything Fortnite has in store. Thanks for watching. And if you're excited for this new season, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you in-game soon.